Well, hello guys, I hope we're all doing okay. We are here today to help out this landlord and landlady whose rental property has been left in a bit of a state by the previous tenant. So at this time, the landlord and landlady are currently inside this property getting the place tidied up. They are painting, plumbing, cleaning up rubbish. They are both also past retirement age and could probably do without this. The back garden itself doesn't look too bad at the moment, but that's because the landlord has already had a good crack at tidying this place up. I am here to help him do this. And when I say this, I'm going to call it a raised bed, although I'm not 100% sure we can even call this a raised bed, because you can't grow anything in this, because it's 50% rubbish. And the trash lying on top of this raised bed is nothing compared to the horrors that are hidden beneath. Now, I am very lucky today that I have a skip to fill up with all this rubbish and soil. The bad part of this is the man who delivered the skip has put it on the front garden instead of on the rear drive, which means I'm going to have to walk quite a few miles with a wheelbarrow. Although I am still trying to decide whether that's a good thing or a bad thing when you take into account my ever-increasing body weight. And with that in mind, I'm going to get cracking with the easy bits first. And for any of you lovely people who want to know, all of this stuff that I'm putting in the skip is actually heading to a recycling centre, where the vast majority of it will be recycled, including all of this soil, which will basically be graded. So that's a gigantic sieve that will take out all of these bits of plastic, all of the stones, rubber, bits of glass and everything else that doesn't belong there, and then the soil will get reused, which I think's pretty awesome. And while we're talking about things that are awesome, let's also talk about some things that aren't awesome. Look at this. If I was going to give anyone a tip about weed suppressant is, don't use bin bags for a weed suppressant. They will degrade very quickly. And also, if you're a smoker, put your cigarette butts in a bin, please. Fortunately, all of this gravel is actually going to get dumped and it's going to get replaced with fresh. But that's another job for the landlord. He's a very busy guy. Well, hello guys, I hope you're enjoying the video up to now. So everything was going quite smooth up to this point, but unfortunately the water pressure at this house was absolutely shocking. It probably would have taken 10 minutes to get a pint of water, which made pressure washing this patio an absolute nightmare. So we're gonna skim over this quite quickly in the next few minutes. Okay guys, that's almost it for the day. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, I did offer to come back and actually pressure wash this patio properly once the water supply to the house had been sorted, but the landlord did actually decline, saying it looked fine. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think. It's not something I'm proud of, this patio, but I did my best, as I always try to do. And once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.